Instagram has added a new feature called banners as a way to customize your profile. Want to try them for yourself? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add custom banners to your Instagram profile. Now let's get started. To get access to the profile banner feature, first ensure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest available version. Then open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap Edit Profile. Select Banners. Here you can add a banner with a link to one of your other meta profiles, such as a Facebook page or a WhatsApp contact, add a song to your profile, or one of the fill-in-the-blank banners. I'm selecting the fill-in-the-blank option. With these, you can add information about yourself or what you're into right now. The first one that comes up for me is labeled Current Obsession, but you can tap the prompt to change it to something else. The options include dream destination, what video game you're playing, book you're reading, show or movie you're watching, or recommendations you're looking for. Based on the category you select, you can type in your answer for that prompt. Then tap Save to add the banner to your profile. Now you can go back to your profile and see your newly added banner. It will be displayed on your profile below your bio and links. You can tap a banner to edit or delete it from your profile. That's all it takes to add profile banners on Instagram. Want more helpful Instagram tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.